Hey, it's Ian with VanDOit Customer Support. Today we're going to be talking about our TV options in our vans. Talk about a few key features of it, what it's able to do, and different mounting options depending on your setup. So let's jump into it. We offer a 32-inch TV that's traditionally mounted up front above the driver and passenger seat in the van. This can be used for watching movies or working on your computer and using it as a second laptop screen. We also offer a secondary mount on the framing of our Do model, so you can have more of a workstation setup and connect to that one as well. So our TV can be pushed back up flush when not in use to clear headspace inside of here. It also can be removed if certain trips or certain setups where you don't actually need it inside of here. It's a very quick disassembly with only 4 bolts needed. So as far as the TV specs go, we have 2 HDMI ports for adding DVD players, computers, iPads, any other kind of peripheral device. We also have USB if you want to plug in a Amazon Fire Stick or Chromecast device like that. We also have 2 RCA cables, which will be for audio, that currently run up into the dash. So for those of you that add the upgraded audio packages in your van, you can run the TV speakers through the whole van speaker setup instead. It currently set up to just play out of the TV right now. This is a smart TV, so it's going to have a whole bunch of built-in apps. So if you connect to either a hotspot from your phone or another hotspot that your carrier offers, or you're using the built-in Ford chassis Wi-Fi, that will power it so we can have Netflix, Disney Plus, live TV on here, and an endless amount of other features and options. One note about using the Ford factory Wi-Fi is that it is only powered while the vehicle is on, and then up to 30 minutes once you turn off the vehicle. This is because it is powered through the chassis battery, and they don't want you to drain that battery and have any issues with starting the van. So it doesn't benefit the driver as much. You're not going to be able to park and use, binge watch 8 hours of Netflix. But for kids or passengers, using the TV, it's perfectly fine for that. It does come with a remote, so we can see those Amazon, Netflix, Disney Plus quick connects. We also have inputs, and the TV will do accept like traditional bunny ears or an antenna to get local stations. It is just not set up like that from the factory. The TV is not standard included in a build sheet. So if you're someone with children, you find yourself having a lot of free time between bike races or overnight camping, or you're someone that works remotely and you want some desk, more of a workstation setup, this is a good option to add to your build.